I love them both. This is a tough one for me. What's good, y'all? It's C-Mac, and I am back for another video. Today, we are going to be making 2 mock-up branded t-shirts. I have a whole bunch of designs for my brand, C-Mac. Like, you know what? Instead of just keep creating it on my phone, how about I actually make what I'm envisioning? I'm gonna make 2 designs that I have in mind that I have created, and I want you guys to help me decide which one you guys like more. I'm starting off with a white t-shirt. I'm gonna go over into Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to kind of copy my design that I have in here, and I'm gonna try to recreate it in Design Space. Okay, so after I figured all of that out, I am happy the way that graphic has turned out. So I am going to end up putting it on here. And I think the best way to do it is I really want to use this fabric paint. But I was leaning more towards the iron-on because I know it would just be easier. Now I'm thinking, because now I want to do the fabric paint. I want to fuck it up though because I haven't worked much with fabric paint. But for the sake of the video, I think I am just gonna go ahead and just run it with the fabric paint. So what we're gonna do now, we created it into Cricut Design Space. So now we are gonna get it cut out so then we can use it as a stencil for fabric paint. Before I do that, of course, you always know I have to put a C-Mac twist, a real C-Mac twist on some things. No, I gotta break out the sewing machine. What is a C-Mac video these days without a sewing machine or airbrush machine or some type of machine? I have this plaid button up that I'm going to cut kind of like the sleeves off. I did this in another video before. I'm gonna cut the sleeves off and I am going to sew the white shirt on. All right, y'all, so we got it all sewn together. Now we can measure out kind of our front graphic size so then we can get our stencil made. 18. Took way longer than I expected, but I got it all weeded out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take some tape and try to transfer this onto the shirt. I got it all taped up on the shirt. Now I'm just gonna take this fabric spray that I got from my local craft store, and we are just going to apply light, even sprays. All right, y'all, I think that is a good amount. The directions say to let this dry for 30 minutes. So that it is currently the next day. Now this is all dry. Now what I'm gonna do is just pull this off and hope for the best that it came out how we expected it. So let's do it. Already I could see some bleeding, but that's okay. I got the vinyl all removed, or the stencil all removed, whatever you want to call it. I think it's cute, but I definitely know what I would change for next time. I think I got some overspray on the collar. Dang, I didn't notice that just till now. It's cool, it's cool. All right, y'all, and here is, don't mind my pajamas, but here is the first little sample, merch sample. You can see what I'm talking about. It's kind of like on the letters up here, and then also really bad on the bottom. So I'm not sure if I just oversprayed or now we're gonna work on the second one. Okay, so we currently have our design being cut out using the Cricut. This time we are going to be using some iron-on vinyl. So hopefully, again, hopefully it turns out decent. So we also have our black shirt that we're going to be using. So this one is going to be a black base, and I am going to add these sleeves. We're going to attach sleeves to this short sleeve t-shirt. Am I the only one that still wears long sleeves in the summer? Because, and plus I'm from the Midwest. It's nowhere near summer yet. Well, it was yesterday, but it's not gonna be for the rest of the week. So I think I still have some time to wear some long sleeves. So let's just do it. I have a hoodie that I'm going to be using as my template for the sleeves. I'm just gonna trace out a sleeve on here. Okay, as I just unraveled this, like was this like a dress? Like it's connected together and it's like a big tube of something. I'm confused, but whoever did it poorly serged these together. So I'm just gonna take this, cut it open. Now we got the sleeve all sewn together and initially made. Now we get to attach it to shirts. All right, y'all, I think this is gonna be a very tough decision on which one I like better. So you guys already seen the first one. We just finished up the second one, and I don't know if it's because I like the color. You know, it's a pop of color versus just the white and black. I don't know. So you guys, please tell me down in the comments which one you like better. Let me go ahead and throw it on so I can show you guys the on look. Oh my God, this is so hard. So here is the on body. This is so hard. I love the sleeves. I love like colorful pattern sleeves. All of my work is basically patternized. I love patterns. I love lines, plaids. I love anything pattern, camo, anything like that. So I think this is really along the lines of me. Please let me know down in the comments of which shirt you guys are messing with more. Unscripted or CMAX Studios. I love them both. This is a tough one for me. So if you guys couldn't tell, I've been working on merch. So if you guys do want to support, again, I just need your guys' opinions. I have lots more of ideas, but for the first drop, either of these two would be ideal. As always, make sure to drop that like button, comment down below, stay positive, and I'll be back for more videos. Bye. Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. This shit that you just put out, you could've kept.